Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Yandere Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 27. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyan. The two of them finally arrive at Muyang's party. They've been inside for not so long. But it seems that something is wrong. Right now, Mengyan, she was crying. Hoo, sister, they won't retaliate against you, right? Now, Mengyan, she's been worried about Gusing. Everyone is gone, so what else you pretending to do? Well, right now, she's been caught on the act. Mengyan is trying to be a baby. But Gusing, right now, revenge? Of course not. I know best when I write. These people are just a group of NPCs. Well, even though she was really the author, she doesn't even know. The character is rebelling herself as a person who will be criticized for too many words, slow face if he says more than a word. Right now, she seems to be confident. Pushing, looking at her, her dress seems to be off. And you is saying her, because it's a little bit too revealing, but right now, some of the girls are following her. They're here in the same high schools in the class next to yours. Oh, you fit this dress so well. What is your relationship with Miss Moo? Any gossips? Seems that everyone's attention's put on her. Miss Gu, can you talk to me? Miss Gu, what is going on? In the original work, Kusing was basically unwelcome. Suddenly right now, she became popular. This is also evolutions of the flat. Why not please a heroine with a halo to the fleece of may no wonder. He survived to the final without being named. But right now, it seems to be different. This is the first time in my life that I'm popular and I feel like it. It's not bad either. Well, it seems that Hussein right now, she's enjoying the being popular. But it seems something wrong. Looking at her, Mengyan, right now, she's been sulking. Of course, because of Kusing right now. But for Mengyan, of course, she don't want her. Sure enough, no one does not like my sister. Now, looking at her, she's been jealous to anyone. Suddenly, she's holding the potion. Well, could it be that she's going to use that now? Well, let's see it then. It seems to be a little bit tricky. Well, someone goes out the party, and who could it be? Well, this is getting interesting. Although, it seems that it was normal, but he blocked his mouth and sent the persons back. Well, everyone is having a gossip. Turns out, it was Muyang's secretary went outside, and now she's just chilling outside. And there's always something off with this girl. It seems that she was plotting something against Kusing and Mengyan. She was calling. Una is really eye-catching. Well, of course now, she is praising Kusing. But right now, she thinks something. Speaking of which, the feeling she gives people now is completely different from before. Obviously, they all look at she was arrogant. She used to be so arrogant, paranoid, and naive, which only made people think that she was ridiculous. But right now, she's showing the different side of her. Well, she's been liked by the people right now. She's more like a stiff mountain than the delicate and fragile flower. Surrounded by mystery and danger, it can fascinate countless people and give rise to the endless. But right now, it seems that she's been particularly attractive. Well, did she really fall in love also? Kusing, like Mengyans did. Well, it seems that Muyang was only staring after. This woman is so rude for the sake of her protecting Mengyan. I don't care about her, the young wolf that no longer wanted. However, it's indeed quite interesting. He may only be caring for Mengyan, but he is allowed to continue to contact Kusing. Well, right now, it seems that also Muyang got interested on Jusing. It was obviously who you begged to stay in the first place, and it was obvious that I gave everything to you. Now, this is bad. The secretary seems thinking something. Master, I'm not a polite person. Well, this is it. So, there's no more trouble on Gusing and Mengyan. Especially right now. Gusing, she's been loved by the people. The crowds are really terrible. Now, she really wants to escape from them. Gusing, she seems to be exhausted. But right now, after being pestered for a while, Mingyan has nowhere to be found, let alone another flat. Well, this is not good. Maybe something bad happened to her. It shames that I spent so much effort to promote the flat before. It's really a waste of time. I don't understand the big loss. Right now, she's trying to change the flats on her wheel. As long as Mengyan is near me, turns out she can really find Mengyan faster. Twitter comments are started. Nyang is one guangua. Getting green. The people are being hyped on commenting. Come on, come on. Why are you hesitating? Next, what's next? You really don't know what will happen next. Right now, it seems that Gusi has been out of herself. So she thinks that there's a medicine. We need to find Mengyan, or something happened to her. No, I want to interrupt this plot. She was really rushing through to find Mengyan. Well, as for Mengyan, where is she right now? I didn't grab her in the taxi just because I was afraid of an accident. She really needs to find Mengyan or something. Wants terrible things to her. Finally, Kusing found her and said, Mengyan was still there, standing, but there's no other people in there. Even I just threw the medicine bottle away, I still. The new task was triggered successfully. Well, this is bad. Maybe the task is really difficult now. Within 30 seconds, otherwise you will be punished for the mission failure. Oh, this is bad. What will Gusing's gonna do? 30 seconds? Well, it's really terrified her right now. Well, here it is, the next episode preview. Turns out Muyang, she already have a fiancé. Just said hello and I will leave. This is Franca, Muyang's fiancé. Seems that there's a big trouble are coming through. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!